Passage number 14. Start. The authorized officer, on receipt of the report of the inquiry officer or inquiry committee, shall determine whether the charge has been proved, full stop. If it is proposed to impose a minor penalty, he shall, after affording the accused an opportunity of showing cause against the action proposed, pass order accordingly offer this explanation, against his recommendations for imposition of major penalty, he shall, after affording the accused an opportunity to offer his explanation against his recommendations for imposition of major penalty, forward the case to the authority along with the charge sheet, a statement of allegations served on the accused, explanation of the accused, the finding of the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, and his own recommendations regarding the penalty to be imposed, full stop. In case it is proposed to drop the proceedings, the authorized officer shall be submit the case with all relevant material documents to the authority for appropriate orders, full stop. Accordance of counsel, no party to any proceeding under these rules, full stop. Paragraph. In a case where the authorized officer decides not to have an inquiry conducted against the accused, the proceedings must be finalized by him within a period of 45 days from the date of receipt of the direction under Rule 5, and a report to that effect submitted to the authority, full stop. In a case where the authorized officer has appointed an inquiry officer or inquiry committee, he should ensure that the entire proceedings are completed within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of direction under Rule 5, and shall submit a report thereof to the authority, full stop. Where inquiry proceedings are not completed by the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, within bracket the prescribed period, bracket close, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall report the position of the inquiry to the authorized officer, intimating the reasons why the inquiry could not be completed within that period and the approximate future further time that is likely to be taken in the completion of the inquiry, and the authorized officer shall immediately cause, full stop. Paragraph. The same to be produced before the authority, full stop. Normally, authority and authorized officer should have been designated as such under the delegation of powers rules in respect of all posts under any department oblique office, full stop. Before taking any action, the authority must ensure that it is properly designated and empowered to act as such, full stop. Besides taking the decision for intimation of acting, the authority should simultaneously direct the authorized officer to proceed against the accused, full stop. Where no authorized officer has already been designated, the authority should immediately appoint an officer senior in rank to the accused to perform the functions of authorized officer full stop. Paragraph aspect where it is already laid down by the government, comma, the commission shall prescribe the scope and the nature of the written test in accordance with the qualifications, comma, job recruitments and experience prescribed for the posts full stop. The test may be subject related or of a general nature to assess the general ability of candidates full stop.